HPOCR provides the ability to convert scanned images into editable or searchable text documents. The newly added DOCX, XLSX, and PPTX file types automatically recognize text, images, tables, and lines in your scanned documents and save them in Microsoft Office Word, Excel, PowerPoint files. If you want to save your document in a Microsoft Office format, select the scan icon and choose the destination where the output file will be saved. Next, select Options and choose File Type in the File Type and Resolution tab. Here, you will find the newly added file types DOCX, XLSX, and PPTX. Let's examine the results for each file type, starting with DOCX. When you select DOCX, the document you scanned is automatically processed with HPOCR, and a Microsoft Word file is saved to your specified destination. Comparing the original document with the DOCX result, all the text is recognized, and not only are text colors retained, but text styles such as bullet points, underlines, bold, and italics are applied similarly to the original. Additionally, all recognized text is searchable and editable. The image, line, and text background from the original document are preserved, and the layout of the original is maintained in an editable format. The table contained in the original document are recognized and converted into an editable table format. Next, let's look at the XLSX format. When you select XLSX, your document is scanned with OCR. And a Microsoft Excel file is saved to your specified destination. Each page of the scanned document is stored in a separate sheet, and the recognized tables and text are saved in individual cells. All recognized content is editable, allowing the user to correct any missing table lines or recognition errors as needed. The cell colors within the table are maintained to closely match the original, and the table line colors and images are reproduced similarly to the original. Finally, let's review the PPTX format. When you select PPTX, the scanned document is processed with OCR, and a Microsoft PowerPoint file is saved to your specified destination. Compared to the original, all texts of the original are recognized, while maintaining the original layout. Graphics and tables are also displayed identically to the original. And all content is editable.